HP memory processor te na upgrade of te koi chi ding chi to ki kun ni masai na start by ding Internet Explorer by ding china to khit chang ina na address bar a support.hp.com a ding hite to khit te na product key na product number a ding hite na product number na nga na ding in control alt s makin to khit te tua itenga screen pen mo ding hite to te copy in la pasting to the next makin product information pa in la nang yi computer then moving hite tun ken HP Touchsmart 600 1120 desktop PC to to pong laki to panina process ana upgrade no le information ding and masai bang ting to upgrade trading chi te memory te bang ting to upgrade trading an waya ading nam ding a to te khat khit khat me kin na thei no pe chi HP computer na zat a hi le ai product information na thei no le tua ipai atom no te na kisinin la na enin lungdam